What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to start trading in Revolut. So once you're inside the Revolut account, guys, once you create a Revolut account, so you install the Revolut app, you create your account, you have your different currencies available, you are able to start trading with Revolut. So if you're a beginner trader, it's very easy to start with. So all you have to do is simply click on crypto at the bottom, and here it basically tells you you can start trading. You can scroll down and you can find those different cryptocurrencies, and if you even click on any one of them, you will see that it shows you what the current rate going on right now in today's. You can go ahead and you can go back to see how things was by simply clicking and dragging on the graph here, and you can see how it was, right? So that's how you can easily find it. You can check week, month, year, even 5 years to see how things were. All it's really up to you, right? So that's how you go ahead and check. Now if you scroll down, you see how things were, the market cap rank. You can also see the max supply. You can even see the last 24 hours trading volume, right? So really interesting stuff here. You scroll down, you have asset management, you have description of that current cryptocurrency, and you can start by clicking on buy. So if you tap on buy, you have the option you can continue, and it will take you through those different setup as well. If you also go back, if you click at the top here, guys, you have the option that says start trading, and if you click on that, it will do the same thing. It will take you through some setup, and you can choose if you're employed, if you're a student, whatever. You can say employed. You can go ahead and you can put in your occupation. So if you're working in whatever IT field, as an example, you can go ahead and you can just choose that IT professional. Go ahead and choose the amount that you want. So let's say you're a person making, I don't know, up to 50,000 per year. You can go ahead and you can choose that. Your network, you choose whatever you want. So you can choose your network. If you have a network of XYZ, you can basically go through the steps, and once you complete all of this, then you can start by buying. This is just to basically go through what your financial situation is, and it's going to make those recommendations for you. It's nothing to worry about. You just need to go ahead and go through that. Once you're done, you will do this easy steps by simply going and just purchase whichever one you want, and you can buy how much you want and all those good stuff. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.